I think we're brave for our clients by leaning into those really difficult conversations. That's probably a twofold answer. So we lean into the really difficult conversations with our clients directly, but also with the other party or the solicitor. So it's really important, and I think it's really important, that as a solicitor I'm able to advise my client and speak to them about those really difficult things. It's part of managing their expectations, but also I take the view that if there's something that needs to be said, it's better that it comes from me rather than it coming from somebody else, or when we're in court, it coming out for the first time. So I try and have those difficult conversations myself. Often when we have those conversations, it leads to a solution. So it's really important to have them, but they can be difficult for us to have and difficult for the client to hear. The second part, I suppose, is having those conversations with the other party or the solicitor. A good example that I try and think of is that quite often we have clients that come into us that are or have experienced and have been subjected to years of domestic abuse. Understandably, they're quite scared about coming in and meeting with us, and they're quite fearful about what's going to happen next. They don't know what the future is going to look like. So from our perspective, we need to deal with that and help them to navigate their way through. So quite often they will have children and they may come in and say to me, I don't know what to do, this is what's been happening, I'm letting the children spend time with the other parent because I don't know what else I'm meant to do, I don't know how to stop that. But I'm really afraid. I'm afraid for the children, I'm afraid for their safety. I don't know what to do, so I've just let it continue to happen. And that's a really difficult conversation to have, because we then have to sort of sit there and explain that if a child's at risk of harm, then really as a parent you need to be brave and you need to be able to say, actually, I'm not going to put them through that. So we need to have that conversation. And then we say, look, we can actually take it from here and we can have that really horrible conversation with the other person or with their solicitor, and we can explain why you've made that choice. So that happens really often. It's a really common scenario for us, unfortunately. And really, it's just about making sure that the client knows we can be brave for them and we can help them to hopefully get the outcome that's best for their children.